Hey gang, y'all, welcome back to the Roadhouse. Happy Saturday, everybody. Today we're doing something really different. Y'all have heard of jerk chicken? Well, we're gonna make crack chicken today. And I made a homemade rub to go on the chicken. I'm using just regular, skin on chicken thighs and stuff. So, but y'all check this out, man. And this is the ingredients for the crack rub. We actually have some brown sugar. We got kosher coarse salt, fresh cracked black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, some cayenne pepper, and you can either use the zest of a couple of limes, or I just opted for lime juice because I don't have any limes on hand. But I went ahead and mixed this up, y'all. I tasted it. It does taste really good. It's not as spicy as the jerk seasoning. Kind of along the same line, but it's not near about as spicy. And that brown sugar sure tastes good. Let me get this chicken out and get it laid out, and I'll be back. We got our chicken out, and just, and all these are about the same size, because that will make a difference in your cooking time on just about anything, especially chicken and stuff like that. Just 4 chicken thighs, skin on. I did hit them with a little bit of cooking oil, give the crack rub something to stick to. So we're gonna dig in here, y'all, and we're gonna get us some of this rub, and we're just gonna hit this liberally with that, and we're gonna rub it all in. We're gonna actually go indirect on the Weber, probably about 350 or better, but we're going indirect, and we will cook it up to probably 170, what have you, just to make sure it's all cooked. And we're gonna let this stuff here marinate and get happy while the Weber's coming up to temp. So, all right, gang, y'all, welcome back. Grill's up to temp. We're gonna lay this chicken in here. Oh, looks pretty nice. So we're going straight down the middle, indirect cook. Alright. We're going to let that go. We'll come back and check it in about 10-15 minutes, y'all. Alright, gang, it's been about 15 minutes. We're running, it's about 425, believe it or not, but nothing burning up, so that looks good. Oh, that chicken looks nice. It smells good, I'll tell you that. Let's check us a little temp right quick, see what we got. 146, 163, alright. Good enough. Alright. We'll get about another 10, and we'll come back check. It's been about another 10 minutes. Oh, that chicken looking right, man. It smells good, I tell you all that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're gonna pull this off. We're gonna let it rest, and Miss Carrie's gonna do his little size. So we'll be back. Welcome back. We plated up. Boy, it looks nice. We did the herb stuffing, stove top. Some Mexican corn here, and I had to grill some bread. I was out of garlic bread. I had to just do some garlic toast. That worked though. Boy, look at that chicken, y'all. That looks some kind of good. Let's cut into this cracked chicken and see what the fuss is all about. Skin crisp up pretty nice. Well, look at that. Well, that's nice, y'all. Juicy. Oh, look at that. Get a little bite of this stuff and see what the fuss is all about. Oh, and I will put a link in the description box to the rub recipe and stuff for this crack rub. So, cheers, y'all. Sweet and heat. Ooh, definitely getting some pepper. The cayenne's coming through after a few seconds. Good though. That's pretty good. It does have some pepper though. It's almost like jerk chicken. It's cracked chicken. Excuse me. I got some heat, y'all. Oh, nice. I've never tried this before, but y'all can see, man. I'm gonna show y'all that chicken on the inside. Look nice and juicy. What the heck? Let's do it. It's a powerful rub, I tell you that. Plenty of salt. And the brown sugar gives it a nice crust. If I do it again, I'm going to adjust this recipe. I'm going to knock the heat down just a little bit, and I'm going to take a little bit of salt out of it. The sugar content's not too bad. But to me, just going off the recipe, the balance is off just a little bit on the salty and the heat, but overall not bad, y'all. Just make sure you have something to sip on when you're eating this stuff. Anyway, we're gonna get out of here, and y'all have a great weekend. Thanks for stopping by. Finger looking good, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye.